Hey, should I wake her up? Maybe. She's been sleeping in recently. Yeah, I guess I should. Sophie, wake up. Come on, Sophie. Thanks, Chloe, for waking me up. I never sleep in this late. I was thinking about it, and I decided I probably should. Well, thanks, 'cause I would have slept in for, ever. No probs. Okay, well, I'm gonna go take a shower. Aw, that shower is so nice. I'm glad I did that. Now I'm gonna go get ready. How do I look? I like your outfit, but what's with the voice? Well, okay, I'm done. I just don't know. Anywho, wanna go outside? Let's think about that. Really? Sorry, couldn't help it. I love nature. It's just so beautiful. Ow, bug. Ow, another bug. Spider. Oh my gosh. Ah! Do you still love nature? Psh, I love nature. I'm like a nature superhero. Ha. Well, ha. What if I told you we could go inside? Whoa. We could do that? Okay, let's go. Got twigs in my hair and bugs. I'm trying to fix it. Ugh. Anyway, I'm gonna eat my banana. Oh, that was good. Yum. My hair is crazy. I'm going to bed.